Hi everyone, I'm Niharika. Today we are going to see an electronic diya and learn how it works. This thing here is an electronic diya. Electronic stands for a device which uses an electric battery, which is inside this. Here is a toggle switch. This switch has 3 terminals. When I turn it here, the light glows. When I turn it this way, the light doesn't glow. So what happens in a toggle switch? The 3 terminals are able to catch up with 2 circuits. Had I joined another LED, when I would have turned over here, the second LED would have glown. And right now, since my wires are connected in the middle terminal, and on my left terminal over here, this forms a single circuit and works like a normal switch. When I turn it this way, it goes off. When I turn it this way, it goes on. There you go. This is my electronic diya. Hope you liked it. Thank you.